Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to give a brief overview of what the Straker Validation Platform looks like when you open a batch. When you first log in, you'll see the projects page. This has all the jobs that you're able to see when you find the file that you are wanting to validate. Just click on Validate to open the batch in the workbench. Once it opens, this is what it'll look like. In the top left, you'll see the document name here. There's the Help button here where you can see your keyboard shortcuts, or take a quick tour. You can go back to the projects page, log out here, and here you can toggle the sidebar. On the bottom left, the number of words validated and total number of segments can be found here. Here, you can jump to a segment by entering the number and pressing enter. You can also go to the next unvalidated segment by pressing this button. Your timer will be displayed here. You can click on a segment to make an edit. An active segment is highlighted in blue. When you edit a segment, the save icon will change into an asterisk. This means the segment is changed but unsaved. Once you make your edit and click on the save button, it'll be pending for about 1 second, and then it moves to green to be saved. Once you click on save, it automatically jumps to the next untranslated segment. The next segment will have a save icon indicating that it is unsaved. There are several tabs on the sidebar. The first one is terminology. You'll see any terminology that's been saved here. If you'd like to search for words throughout the document, type them in here and then click on search. This will bring up any segments that it finds matches in. The next tab down is context. This is where the client will leave any helpful information on how to translate the document. The next tab down is settings. Here you can change your layout of the segments from vertical to horizontal. You can also toggle save exact matches and determine the loading size. The next button down is filters. This allows you to filter the segments by different options. Last, you can see all the activity that's been done on the document. This contains information about the segment or any comments that you or the other validators have made. Once you have made all the edits that you want to in a batch, click on the Projects button in the top right of your screen. This will take you back to the Projects page where you can sign off the batch. This indicates that you have finished working on the content. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, but please reach out to us with any questions.